Hey guys, it's Nina back with another video. Happy October, happy fall, all that good stuff. So I wanted to come on and talk about some of the new products that I've been using on my locks this month. I am really a creature of habit. I like what I like. If it works, it works. But this month, since it's a new season and all that, I just decided to just branch out a little bit, just open my mind, expand my horizons, and try some new things. And I'm actually really happy with the results that I've gotten from them so far. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you already know what to do. So let's get into it. I decided to go back to one of the products that I used in the second year of my lock journey. I pretty much used it every day, and the only reason I stopped is because I felt like I was going through it quickly and it's not exactly cheap. And that is the lemongrass leave-in conditioner from Untitled Naturals. So I went back to this product because I've experienced a lot of color damage over the past few months, and I just felt like I needed something stronger than the normal oil and water mixture that I use, just olive oil and water. So this features silk amino protein, which nourishes and rebuilds the damaged hair cuticle, aloe vera, which moisturizes and strengthens the cortex of damaged hair, and then lemongrass oil, which reduces hair shedding, promotes shine and volume. I love how it smells also. It definitely smells like lemongrass. It's very fresh and like kind of springy smelling. So I do go through this pretty quickly, I feel like, because it's kind of thick. As it starts to get lower, I would just add water to the bottle to help dilute it, help spread it easier. I do find that this keeps my locks very moisturized. I like to use it when I'm doing braid outs especially, which is pretty much what I've been doing all month, and it's just like, yo, this hair needs to be refreshed. But yeah, so I highly recommend the Untitled Naturals lemongrass leave-in, and this is whether you have locks or loose natural hair. So I used this product to retwist. This is the Curls Poppin Pineapple Collection So Def Vitamin C Curl Defining Jelly. So this says it is formulated with vitamin A, B1, B6, and C for shiny, longer, thick, and healthy curls, enhances hair growth, increases sebum production, and decreases hair loss. So having healthy, shiny curls, of course, is not my objective. I have locks, but I wanted to find something that I could retwist with that was going to give me a relatively good hold. Consistency is very good. Lots of good slip. I love how it smells. It definitely smells like pineapple. It smells like summer, which I kind of wish we could go back to a little bit. So I feel like it's kept my retwist fresh for a relatively reasonable amount of time. I have been in humidity. I have let my hair get rained on a little bit, so my roots are kind of fuzzy, but so I will do a video showing how I retwist with this product. And then the last new product that I've been using is the Jane Carter Solution Love Your Hair Curls to Go Wash and Wear Super Curly Coily Hair. It's the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Shine On Curl Elixir. So this controls frizz, nourishes and smooths curls with argan oil, aloe vera, and macadamia oil. So I was at Marshall's and I saw this and I wanted something to just give my hair some shine after I took the braids out. The Untitled Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner, I was using this to do the braid out as like the holding agent for the braid out. And then the Shine On Curl Elixir just for shine. So I actually haven't used any today. And this smells like strawberry. So I've got like a whole bunch of fruity things, but they all just kind of work together. I don't feel like they clash at all. Like, I actually really like it. So I wanted to pick out things that I felt like were buildup resistant. Based on the ingredients, it seems like these products will wash out easily. So normally with my products, I do try to keep it as natural as I possibly can. This curl defining jelly does have a few products that I'm kind of like, I don't know what I necessarily think about that, but I have been looking for a good hold for my retwist. And so my thing is, if it can wash out cleanly, it's okay for me. So yeah, those are the new products that I have been using this month. I am really happy with them. I feel like I've just been using the same things for so long, and I just wanted to mix it up. Just wanted to see how my hair reacts to new things. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one.